Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and I'm the latest Sechua. If you're a new member to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell and comment from the comment section. So on today's video, I'm making pineapple, orange and ginger drink. This drink that I'm doing is very helpful. It's helpful for your body, for your skin, for family, for friends and you personally. So kindly subscribe to my channel for new videos. So I will start chopping my pineapple because it's already washed. See? So So I always do this drink for family, and today I want to make a video to show you guys to make it at home. If you feel tasty, like you feel like taking in something like juice, like you see, it's very good for family, not to go buy it from outside. So normally outside it's like they've taken it or it won't be clean as you made it in the house. So I would prefer for you to use this formula. Like you get your fruits, you come home, blend it by yourself. I really like all these things, like making things by your own, not buy it outside. You won't see me going outside drinking from outside normally. So this is what I have for you today. Oh my god. This homemade sandwich. I can't wait to drink it. So let me put this one inside, then I'll start chopping the ginger too. Okay, because maybe it won't, the chopping board is full, it won't get space. So where is the ginger? Other one. So I have my ginger too here. I'm peeling it to blend together with the orange and the pineapple. Please you just try it in your various house for your own good, and you will really love it, and you count on my comment section to put on a fantastic comment if you've tried this. That is, you give me Oza. It's about to blend. Let me clean my hands. Where is the cover? Right in. Pineapple and ginger juice is already there. Let's see, I have the sieve inside. Okay, so I'm doing this to take the unwanted one from it. guys, now we are done with our juice. Let's bring it to boil. So here is the drink that I made. Very wow. So try it home, make it. I really love it, and it's very, very good. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like it, comment it, and watch out for more videos. Thank you.